Sobrang dami at dagsa talaga ang umaalala, nag-aalala at nagbibigay ng kanilang mga mensahe ng pagmamahal sa yumaong superstar Nora Honor. Isa na nga dyan ang aktor na si Alfred Vargas. Well, hindi lingid sa marami na nagkasama si Alfred Vargas at Nora Honor sa isang pelikula na Pieta na talaga namang pinag-usapan dahil sa parehong intense at galing na umarte nila Alfred at Nora Honor at wala ngang duda dyan. Narito nga ang naging mensahe ni Alfred Vargas sa yumaong superstar. This scene was taken from one of Ate Guy's last ever films, Pieta. I played Isaac, her long-lost son. When Isaac finally returned home, he was greeted by a mother who couldn't remember anything anymore. Instead of surprising his mother, he ended up the one being surprised for the wrong reasons. Pieta is a story about love, family, truth, mistakes, and forgiveness. This was a painful but loving scene at the same time. Painful because Rebecca, Nora Honor's character, the mother of Isaac, couldn't recognize her son at all. Loving because she still showed how much she cared for and loved her son despite the incomprehensible situation. Ate Guy, working with you has been one of the greatest honors of my life. As an actor and as a human being, you have touched my heart. You have taught me so much without saying anything, and you have inspired me tremendously by mentoring me through our scene together. Pieta will always be one of the most special and favorite films I've done my entire life because of you. The most important lesson I learned from you is that true stars shine because of their humility and generosity in everything they do and whoever they meet. Sa'yo ko naramdaman ito ang sobra, Ate Guy. Maraming salamat dahil tinanggap mo ako sa puso mo at nagkaroon ako ng chance to work at makilala ang one and only superstar that will ever had. Samantala, isa rin sa nakasama niya at nagbigay ng mensahe para sa kanya ay walang iba kundi ang aktres na si Aramina. Well, nagkasama sila Aramina sa isang event kung saan tila pareho ngang tumanggap ng parangal si Nora Honor at ang aktres na si Aramina. Ipinost niya ito sa kanyang Instagram at narito ang nakakaantig na mensahe ng aktres na si Ara. Aniya, isa ako sa maswerte dahil noong nagsisimula pa lang ako sa showbiz, nagkaroon na agad ako ng pagkakataong makatrabaho ang legendary national artist at nag-iisang superstar na si Ate Guy sa pelikulang The Floor Contemplation Story. Ang huli naming pagkikita ay noong June 15, 2024 nang pareho kaming pinarangalan ng isang parangal. Lubos po ang aming pasasalamat sa lahat ng iyong nagawa para sa industriya. Hindi matatawaran ang iyong kontribusyon at mananatili kang nakatatak sa aming mga alaala. Paalam, Ate Guy. Thank you for watching. Images are all credit to their rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe.